Good afternoon, my dear friends and my dear parents. I am Saipram of Physical School studying in class 10, and I am here to explain you about all the 3 projects we have done in this 5 days, which I was spending with Srinivas sir and in this Rigopmi school. And when I came here, I have first done my first project is my water level indicator. Here I am going to show you the water level indicator. In this, I have used a 9-volt battery and 4 different types of wires, and NPN transistors, 3 NPN transistors, and 390 kV capacitors, and 3 LEDs, in which 3 are of 3 different types. Here the red LED shows the warning signal, and the yellow shows the mid signal, and the green shows the tank is full. Here, now I am going to show how this works. Here, this blue wire is the negative wire, which will be to the bottom of the tank, which will be attached to the bottom of the tank, and this red wire will be near to the if the tank is above 1000 liters, this will be above 50 liters above the ground of the level, and the yellow wire will be in the middle, and the green wire will be to the top of the tank. Here it shows us. Here I have connected the battery, and all the bulbs are glowing because all the wires in the tank are glowing because the tank is full. Here the red wire, the blue wire and the red wire will be connecting, so the red light will be glowing because the tank is about to be empty, so we have to switch on the motor. And here, when the motor has been switched on, slowly the yellow light glows on. This says that the water is half of the tank, and this green wire will be dipped completely in the water, and when the green wire is dipped in the water, the green light glows. This says that the tank is full, so you can switch off the motor. And in this application, this can be used automatically by placing the switch connections near the green and red, and a buzzer on the either sides. So whenever the tank is empty, automatically the motor will be switching on by this circuit, and the motor runs. And whenever the green light on, it automatically switches off. And this is about water level indicator. Here this can be used for a wide range of applications, like not only for water level indicator, it can be used as a sensoring for our cars, where we can place these sensors in a different way. And this is light operated switch. In this, I have used an NPN transistor and a PNP transistor one. And in this way, I have taken a switch, 9-volt battery, and an LED. Here, this is the switch this is an application in which when the light is not there, the LED glows. Whenever the light comes on this LDR, this automatically switches off. For example, we can see like this. Here is the light ray, where whenever the light ray falls on this LDR, automatically the light switches off. And whenever the light is not there, automatically the light switches on. This application is useful for traffic lights, for radio signaling, and it can be used in developing the country. This can be used even in many purposes, like we can keep in our household appliances for corridor lights, fans. Even we can control the solar panels through this. It's automatically by keeping a cover or a iron sheet for it. And I am going to explain about the sound operated switch. In this, I have taken 2 ICs, in which one of the IC will control the amplified sound, which will be coming from the microphone. Whenever we clap or whenever we tap near the microphone, automatically the small amplitude of this microphone will be going to this IC, and this IC will be continuous. This IC will make the amplified sound more amplifying in a larger frequency, and then it goes to the other IC, where the sound will be automatically sensed, and the red light, which here the power will be going through this transistor, will be automatically cut off by this transistor and goes to this light, white light. Here, suppose here it's there. Suppose whenever this is there, I am automatically switching on it and off. I am keeping my hand here because I'm just tapping here. So whenever I tap here, this red light is to make sure that the power is there in the battery, and it can automatically know that no tapping is done, and the LED shows here. This LED shows that the power is passing through the circuit. But whenever this microphone is switching on, it automatically offs. Thank you.